Hey everyone, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today we're creating a lead called Big Zero, and you can already see the MIDI over there, but now let's listen to it in solo. Amazing for sections before the drop, as you can listen to it in context. Pretty amazing sound, and if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below in the PML's Melodic Techno Mystique pack that you can find at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial, and let's get started with the sound design. We're going to start by initializing the Serum, and essentially that's how it sounds like. We're going to start by selecting both oscillators into an I-can-has kick. So we're going to go over here and we're going to just copy A to B. We don't listen to anything because there's no signal over there. But if we change the wet position to something like this, and the second wet position to this, but now both oscillators into -2, and now we're gonna pick the level, put it 100% here and a little bit down over here. Now we're gonna select an AC hum, and we're gonna pick the level, put it a lot up, somewhere like this. Now envelope 1, in the envelope 1 we're gonna pick a bit more attack over here, somewhere like this. Decay sustain as it is, but a little bit more release. This hand over here has to go a little bit over here in the pretty much in this line over here. Filter, now we're gonna select MG low 12. We're gonna select A, B, and noise. Cutoff pretty much a little bit higher. No drive, no fat, the resonance as it is, but now envelope 2 is gonna modulate this sound. So we're already going to modulate over here a little bit less than the full thing. But we're gonna go in the envelope 2, we're gonna pick the sustain, put it all the way down. Now the decay has to go a lot down as well. The release a bit up. But the attack has to go a lot up. Now this handle over here has to go at the top of M2. You can see this M2 over here. And this hand over here has to go at the bottom of M2. That's pretty much how it should be, but we forgot one thing in oscillator 1. We have to pick the unison and put it a bit up. And there you go. Now unison a little bit up. Now it sounds much better, right? Now we're gonna go into the effects section. We're gonna start by using a phaser, and in the phaser we're gonna pick the rate and put it remain as it is. The depth is going to remain as it is. The frequency is going to go a little bit down, somewhere like this. The feed is also going to go a bit down, somewhere like this. The phase is gonna remain as it is, and the wet is going to go a lot down. Now we're gonna select an EQ. And in the EQ, we're going to select first a low cut and second a bell curve. The low cut is going to go a little bit like this, and the frequency a little bit down as well. If you don't want the low cut, you can just leave it. And that will give you a bit more bass in the sound. Now in the EQ, we have to go and put the Q a bit down, the frequency to somewhere like this, and a bit less gain over here. That's pretty much how it is. Now reverb, we're gonna go and select reverb. The size is going to remain as it is, the decay a bit up. Low cut, high cut, spin depth, all as it is, but the mix a bit down. And if you want to make this a little bit different, you can always just pick a cutoff and automate it with the macro 1. And this creates a different effect to the sound if you want to listen to it in context. You can see how this creates a different effect in the sound. It just makes the sound a little bit more alive, let's say like this. And if you like the preset, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.